Okay, so we're gonna check out this building. Kind of interesting little building. I have filmed it before, and we're gonna kind of go into more detail and just kind of see what it's all about here. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Before I go down that way, let's just kind of go this way first. Looks like there's some kind of exhibition there. Beautiful building though, wow. Really beautiful. I have filmed in here before, but it's probably been at least a year. So yeah, got the beautiful steps up there and it goes that way. Oh, it looks like they definitely keep it clean. Let's just kind of see what's on the side here. That's really clean. Okay. So it's really manicured. Looks nice. I think the last time I was here, I noticed that this spot was like a caretaker or something like that. So they would kind of watch the building. Amaral number 18. Amaral number 120. Okay, let's just go around the front and we'll see. There's all the Macau stuff about the COVID. So here we go. So we're on the front side. Looks like you have different numbers, right? Mesquita number 71. Let's see. So this one says Naughty Roll Featured Exhibition. So maybe we'll go a little bit further, take a look. Looks like it's closed today. Oh, the gates are closed, but the thing is open. Free admission. Find an entrance here. It's all closed. Looks like it's open though. Huh. Let's walk down a little bit further. You can also see a temple down that way on the other side of the street. Okay, there's the entrance. Looks kind of cool too, right? So if you go up that way, it goes up to the IFT, Institute of Fashion Technology. That's the temple across the street there. And then this is where we're gonna, I think we're gonna try to go in. I have to do my health code, so. Okay, so we're gonna head on out. Pretty cool. Nice building. We always got exhibitions. I saw another exhibition here about somebody who does all the stenciling for all the lettering in Macau historically. It was kind of an art of his generation, still alive, and kind of created almost all the signs for lettering through the city. But yeah, this one is somebody who's capturing some of the absurdness of all the rapid development of Macau in the 1980s. So pretty cool. I like that one a lot. Never know what you're gonna find walking around Macau. This right here is when I had to check in, I had to turn off the camera because I have to do a little health check right here. Okay, so it says it right there. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right.